Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and His Son Yahushua Mashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo, and today I'm going to do a trade recap on my trades on ES. Today is the 6th of February 2024. It's 13:15 hours Eastern Time. And let me just point out here and on my trading platform, which is NinjaTrader, I'm gonna just point out some general trades and try and go over to TradingView and show you exactly what kind of levels I was looking at. So initially I started to take some shorts here, or some longs, sorry, around these levels here. Well, actually these first two here were some shorts, covered these trades here because we were below Camarilla R3, and I was looking at like the rejection of this candle right here. So took some shorts here. That kind of popped up on me a little bit. Let's see, we came up to Camarilla R3, we pushed above Camarilla R3. Eventually I basically caught that short, this short right here, right, which was a breakdown of the upper first deviation band on VWAP and a breakdown or rejection of Camarilla R3, right? So took profit here, jumped back in short, and basically came back down here to 49.62 or 49.61. Around this area here is 49.62, 49.61. And let me just switch over to TradingView so you could see some levels that I'm actually talking about. Right, so this is Camarilla R3 right here at 49.73.80, and I was looking for some rejections here, so we got some rejections, took some shorts, got squeezed a little bit as it popped back up on this candle. Eventually caught the breakdown of the first upper deviation band. You see that band right there, right? That's the first upper deviation band. Caught that with the breakdown of Camarilla R3. Took that down to, excuse me, weekly market profile value area high, which is at 49.6125. So around that area, which is also lining up with overnight mid and the actual intraday value area low, right? So that green line right there is 49.6250. That's intraday's value area low, market profile, and the mid is at 49.63. That's the overnight mid, right? So we came down here, flushed down, caught some scalps in between here, breaking down, eventually stopped out here, and I actually caught some reversals here. So let me just go back to NinjaTrader. Right, so eventually here, let me see, wait, just open this up a little bit more. Right, so here, and here, and took a loss here with these trades, right? Trying to catch a reversal, took a loss, and eventually flipped my position short. Added here, and stopped out right here. Right, so I hope you guys could see that. Let me just make sure I make that a little bigger. Right, so you can see this one here, when trying to catch the reversal, didn't get continuation, eventually stopped out here, right? And then flip my position short, 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 short entry, and covered here at around let's see what that was, roughly 49.55.75. So almost caught the low right there, So that put me in a nice profit. Let's see, I took a long here reversal again at 49.6225, which is above the weekly value area high. Let me just pull that up. Right, so see, make this bigger here. So this is the weekly value area high at 41.6125. So that red line right there going across. So I caught a little reversal right there pushing up. And let's see what levels that was. It was like basically a scalp because we rejected off a VWAP at 1040. So let me go back to this here. 1040, which is this candle right here. All right. So try to catch the breakout here. Only got a little bit because we rejected off of VWAP, which is that white line. All right, so I was trying to stay nimble, not overstay my welcome. And let's see what was the next trade right after that. So I watched price action a little bit. Eventually took some longs here again above value area, weekly value area high at 41.6125. My entries were 41.61, 41.61.75, 41.62.25, 41.64.50, and 41.66. So eventually I stopped out here at 49.63. So I think that eat into my profit a little bit. Took another reversal here at 49.64.50 for a little scalp. Kind of probably regained a little bit of that there as I exited at 49.66. And let's see here. Took another loss here on the continuation long 49.67.25. Stopped out here at 49.63.25. So then I started to go long again, 41.61.25 above right at this market profile value area high on the weekly. Added 49.62.25, 49.63.75, and these are like small contracts, nothing too big. So had to stop out here again at 49.59.75. Took a loss on that again. Started to enter again. These are basically like micro entries, like 1 micro, because I wasn't trying to sabotage too much of the profit. So took these entries long. Let me just, right, so that's the next trade. Entries, long entries here. Right, and right now we are at current price, so I basically took a little scalp right there. Most of the entries were up here, but the bigger entries were down here as we came back down to 49.59.50, 49.60.50. So I was getting a better price entry right there and eventually stopped out at 49.63.50. So it was a cool little reversal, but the reversals aren't really going very far, right? Eventually I think today we're probably gonna clear all these stops and probably get up. My target was roughly 49.75, and I think eventually we're gonna get up here and clear some of those stops. So this is the take profit on the day. At certain points I was up like about 832, something like that. So as it pulled back on me, I actually got up to like about 32 contracts, right? On this reversal play, I was kind of confident that it would break up, but we still got this resistance here. Not sure either way because this is a whole kind of rotation right here, so not sure exactly who's winning right now, but we're in an uptrend, so my money is on the buyers, right? And we're actually at let me just go to the 1 hour chart. where I have my weekly levels. Right, so that's the volume profile there. That's from so that's kind of like a 6-day volume profile, running profile. So the volume profile on that is matching up with the weekly POC, and we're just kind of consolidating above that level right there. So we do have some wicks to the upside, right? Again, this is the 1-hour chart. We do have some wicks to the upside, serious rejection. As I said in my trade setup video, we have a little change of character right now. The central pivot is a lower value today, and the Camarillas is a overlapping lower value. So there is a change of character, but buyers are still there supporting price at the volume points of control and the POC on the market profile. Let's see here. Just looking at this this volume profile, you can see that anything below here is just buyers, right? So there's heavy volume nodes, high volume nodes, sorry, at the weekly value area low, market profile weekly value area low, which is around 4903.25. There's another high volume node at 4894.75, right? So let me just point those out. Right, so this is the high volume area I'm talking about. This is the volume point of control, which is lining up with the POC for the week, and the value area high is quite close. So there's a lot of buyers who are gonna be trying to defend this area. So that's why I wasn't too keen on taking any shorts really. I'm more confident in the buy stops getting hit here today, and eventually we'll just clear out and probably close maybe on the highs 49.80.75 or above that 49.81.50. But who knows, maybe some buyers are losing confidence and they're starting to take profits, so it's causing this kind of little sell off, these sell bars that we're getting here, so who knows, man, who knows. I was trying to stay a little more nimble and not overstay my welcome in the market too much, because I know it's basically a rotational day, right? So as you can see here, it's just rotation, just trying to enter at this value area high and kind of stick with the buyers and stay on the right side of the market. All right, y'all, so it's Malak Shalomo. Y'all trade safe and stay blessed. Oh yeah, and I decided not to quit. I was thinking about quitting, man. Like after I did that bullshit yesterday, trying to short at this level. Let me just show you here. Let me take off the volume pointer control, and you can see this right here. Right, so that's 49.48 is the central pivot, and 49.44 is the Camarilla S3 on the weekly, right? So those are weekly levels, and you see we got that big buying coming in there. So anything coming around this level here is gonna get bought, in my opinion. You know what I mean? And that's the foolishness I did yesterday. I was trying to short this, like trying to fade this reversal, which is madness. You know what I mean? All right, y'all, trade safe and stay blessed.